John McKay here. Come check out our latest Hockinson listing located in Summer Hills. What I like most about this one is it backs up to hundreds of acres of trail systems right out your back door. So you can go for your morning hike with your cup of coffee.
From the welcoming covered front porch to the serene setting, this stunning contemporary craftsman in the sought-after Summer Hills community offers the best of all worlds. Gather by the fireplace or entertain in the gourmet kitchen. This open floor plan makes it easy to host large or small gatherings. With modern finishes, a large center island, and rich cabinetry, this kitchen is both stylish and functional. From here, head out to the covered view deck, where you can take in tranquil views of the backyard and surrounding trees. From the vaulted formal dining room to the main level bedroom and bath, this home is thoughtfully designed for everyday living. Upstairs, the immaculate primary suite is a true retreat, with a spa-like bathroom featuring a jetted soaking tub, walk-in shower, and spacious walk-in closet. A huge bonus room with its own private balcony offers endless possibilities, from a media room to home office or gym. On the lower level, you'll find a beautifully finished basement with a contemporary touch. An open entertaining area and a quartz-topped wet bar set the stage for game nights or casual gatherings. With a full bedroom and bathroom on this level, guests can enjoy both comfort and privacy. Head out to a second covered deck that leads into the backyard, perfect for gardening, evenings around the fire pit, and of course your private access to the community's meticulously maintained trail system. Those trails connect you to hundreds of acres of forest filled with wildlife and natural beauty. Whether you enjoy mountain biking, hiking, or simply peaceful walks, this backyard amenity is one of the rarest and most valuable features you'll find in a home. Experience the best in Northwest living. You'll find it all here in Summer Hills.
If you're looking for a tour, click the link below and a member of my team can show you around.